Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you personalize settings in Snapchat. In order to personalize settings in Snapchat, you need to follow these steps. So you can personalize settings in Snapchat by customizing your app's appearances, managing privacy control, and adjusting chat settings as well. To do this, you want to open the Snapchat app, click the Bitmoji icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and next you want to click on the gear icon from the right hand side corner of your screen. Now what you need to do is actually to customize settings, you could simply go ahead and click on privacy control. Underneath, you could find a lot of options. As you could see, contact me, use my Bitmoji avatar, all that. So this is the section where you could go ahead and customize or personalize settings in your Snapchat account. So one after the another, you have to go ahead and make changes. And when you do this, you simply want to go ahead and follow on the on-screen prompt. And this is the way you could go ahead and personalize settings in Snapchat. So that's the way you could actually personalize settings. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.